Okay, great. Ben Ben.
Hello, John.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm doing my
You're writing songs
songs.
for Mother's Day.
Hello.
Okay, great. Start. Now start. Okay. Write anything that you like. Okay. Bye. Hello, John. John.
Mama, I love you. You're the best for me.
Okay, great. Mama, I love you.
Papa.
You're the best for me.
Papa.
Okay. Yes.
Cuff.
Good. Very good.
Mama, I love you. Yeah, Mama, I love you. Good. Good. Yeah. Yeah. No.
Okay, so kita ada tiga itu. Read out what you have written.
Mama, I love you. You're the best for me. Thank you for the care, and for everything. Mama, I will always love you.
Okay, very good. Okay, so we are going to practice. Okay, cara practice how say actually. Ready? Okay. Chim măng quay. Chụp. Hi ha. La sau khi có la sau. La sau ấy chưa? Dậy tại luôn. Lên. Chụp. Ready? 1, 2. Chụp ready. Mạnh ăn gì luôn. Lý sao dậy?
No.
Ini kau dulu. Lari je ni. Yo. So ready. 1,
2, 3.
So ready. Ben. Ready. So ready. 1, 2, go. Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yes, so today we are going to sing a Mother's Day song which our kids wrote. So here's a Mother's Day song for all the mothers out there. And to whom? Mama. Okay? Okay, we are going to sing.
Mama, I love you. You're the best for me. Thank you for your care and for everything. Mama, I will always love you. Thank you for your care and for everything. Mama, I will always love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Mama.
So, high five.
Thank you.
Joe, Jilly. Happy Mother's Day, everyone.